Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix AliExpress payment failed. Check payment method. Ensure your card or payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Try another payment option. Switch to a different method. Example, PayPal, Alipay, or another card. Clear browser cache. Clear browser's cache and cookies to remove conflicts. Switch browser or device. Try a different browser or use the AliExpress mobile app. Check country restrictions. Ensure your payment method is supported in your country. Verify your account. Complete identity verification if required by AliExpress. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off VPN or proxy which may block payments. Check AliExpress status. Confirm if AliExpress is having system-wide issues. Contact your bank. Check with your bank for any payment blocks or restrictions. Review payment limits. Ensure you haven't exceeded AliExpress payment limits. Wait and retry. If the issue persists, wait 24 to 48 hours and try again. Contact support. If none of the above work, contact AliExpress customer support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!